Now, in that area where I was advising the salaries and remuneration, that is very handy. It's very critical when I join IEBC, because I was there. We have a very knowledgeable, very hardworking, very resilient, and passionate secretariat. But there's delusion with their work. They are demotivated because of stagnation. So when I join IEBC as a commissioner, I will take it upon myself, from the experience that I got when I was advising the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, to make sure that we improve the terms of the staff in IB. We can move from the scheme of service, the restricted scheme of service, to career progression guideline, so that we can improve the terms of the staff in IEBC. They are motivated, they are hardworking, but they are demotivated because of stagnation.
I'm a team player. I work well with a team. I'm also ethical. I believe I'm ethical. I believe in doing the right thing. And also, as I said, I'm a certified professional mediator. I'll ensure that there is a working synergy. There is a dispute resolution within the commission. We've seen that there's been a lot of issues that has arose in the past in the commission. I'll be one of the people to bring peace within the commission, between the staff and the commission. Yeah, even in the Bible, Gideon was a man of peace. I'll be able to bring peace to the commission. This will give credibility to the voter. You know, first we need to ensure that we have a credible commission which is respected by Kenyans. First, that is my first priority. Are we working as a team? Are we respecting the protocols? Do we respect the chair of the commission? That is the first thing. We need to respect each other as commissioners. We need to respect the duties of everyone, from the CEO to the staff. Ensure that there is working synergy. I'm also flexible. I can work extra hours to deliver on an assignment. I believe I still have the energy to do it.